Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage your orders. First, all you need to do is head over to the Fiverr website and log in. If you're on the buying section of Fiverr, make sure you switch to selling. From here, you'll be brought to your dashboard, where you'll be able to see if you have any active orders. In order for you to see all your orders, all you need to do is head over to My Business at the top and click on Orders. From here, you'll be able to see all your orders from priority, active, late orders, delivered, completed, cancelled, and starred. As you can see, obviously I don't have any orders, but from here, once you see your order, and if you want to, for example, see any information from that order, you'll be able to see all information from it, including the buyer, what it was for, when it was due on, the total amount, any notes that the buyer may have put in, and the status of that order. That's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.